Guys, it's me again. I'm going to be introducing us to PowerPoint in this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. PowerPoint is a very important program that can be used majorly in making presentations. So this is how you find your PowerPoint. This is how we go. So they have many templates. There are those ones that are designed. Then there's a blank one. So if you get a blank one, you format it in a way that you want. We have many types of slides. So here we are home. So these are the types of slides that you have. There is a title slide, and it's only for putting the title. Like let's say you're going to make a presentation. So you can put the title, what you're going to present, and then the name of the person presenting. Then this is how you add the slides. You saw how I did that. Then this one here, when you have title and content. And then here you have also been given a provision of putting pictures, some graphics, 3D models. If you want to insert a video, it can also be done, a table, and a chart if you want to add. So we have many different types. Then a section header, let's see what that one looks like. A section header. Let's say you have something and you want to put a header, like you want to put a header. If you remember like how we have it in Word, you can put there. Depends on what you want to put, depends on what you're discussing. So it could even be your name for the header and you put the other date. Then here, let's say here two contents is when you're making let's say you put here your title and you want to put the points here and also here. So you want to use like two different sides. Then here, this one here is for comparisons. Let's see what it looks like. You have the title for the comparison, then you put the two different things you're comparing, then this answer now for the comparisons. Yeah, title only. Let one only puts title. If you want now put something, you have to insert what they call the text box if you want to put any other thing. Then there are many types of slides. Let's continue seeing them. Then this one is a blank one where you cannot write in anything unless you insert the text box. That's when you'll be able, the text box, that's when you'll be able to put something. Then content with captions, picture with captions. Yeah, so let's see it. That's how. Those are the different types of slides that you have. So I mean in PowerPoint. Then insert, you want to insert a table, a picture, some shapes, you want to zoom in something to look bigger, comments, a text box. This is what I was talking about. Let's see how we can insert it. Let me give you an example. I put a new slide. Get a blank slide. Then we insert a text box. So you see something that you're going to like draw. So that is the text box. You'll be able to type in what you want. Let's say, you see, there that is. So that's how it is. Because now if you say you're going to type here on this thing, it cannot work. It needs, because it needs the text box since it's a blank page. So that is how that one works. And then so we're still here in the insert. Header and footers, then word art. Now if you want to put these different designs in your letters, then these are the formulae. You want to do a video or an audio, you want to include it in your slide, taking it as you type in the work. You want to do something. Now in design, they give us the different formats of how the slides could look. There are many. There is these ones are blank. Now there is this one. And there are these. things can have you can have different types of presentations. There are actually many. So these are the different examples, and others are also here. So you choose the one that you want. But when you're making a presentation, you should make something that is presentable, something that can be seen easily, something that is not difficult for people to see. You have to put something reasonable. And then for the transitions, so these ones are used when you're moving from one slide to another. Let's see. You have seen how that one would appear. So exactly, that is what happens if you use that. Then this one here is just fading, yeah? To bring another one. Then the push, it is pushed like that. Wipe. So that's how. So these are transitions. You can use them as you're moving from one slide to the next. Then there are also animations. And now for animations. Animations can be used as you're going into a new slide, how you want the new slide to appear, how you want to bring in the new slide. Yeah? Those things, it does almost the same function as the transitions. And then we have the slideshow. We have a slideshow. Slideshow, let's say you have your different slides, you have made them. So if you want to show your working slideshow, it will not be appearing like this. So let's say, let me first go back here. I had some slides, data and content, and probably I could call a design so that you can see. Good. So now that's how they're looking. So let me put like a transition here, randomized. So that's what I'm going to use. So when we go to slideshow, yeah, we see. I'm also choosing that one for it. And then also something. So now go slideshow. So for slideshow, there is a when you want to start from the beginning, begin from the slide where you are at that time. Then so for me, I'm going to start from the beginning. So that is how the work is going to appear. I want to go to the next slide. It's now. It is supposed to take me to the next slide. So that's done. That's one. I want to go to the next one. Ah, so I'm going through the reason why we cannot see the difference is because the slides are empty. The slides are empty, they're showing the same thing. So these are the slides I have. They're empty, they're all it's literally the same thing. Yeah? So that's why we have not been able to see the differences. Maybe I put different designs such that you can see. Hmm. Okay. Okay, we shall see that in the next content, how it can be done practically when you have everything. So saving, you save your work like usual. As you're saving for the first time, you save as, and then you choose where you want to save your work. But if you had already saved and you're just making changes, you can use this one. So that's it. So then let's see. We actually have many things in so we have that. There is also what we call the master slide or the slide master. I think we can find that. Let's check in. So it's here in view. In view, we have the slide master. So what the slide master does, it's you can use it to format your work the way you want each and every slide to appear. Then whatever you choose from here, that is how your work will appear. Every slide that you choose, every new slide that you insert, as long as you're typing the things, they're going to be coming in the same format as this one. So this one has given us a title, and these other things, the footer, data, and then this is for the page. So if you don't want it, you can actually remove it. You can format this thing. We'll go to the master layout. Now the master layout, they have given us, we have your title, text, date, slide number, and footer. If you don't want footer, you remove it. You don't want the date, you remove it. Slide number you don't want, you can also remove it. You remain with only the essential things. But a slide number is something also important to have. So you click OK. As you can see, the footer has disappeared. The data is also gone. Then we have the number. So yeah, that's it about that's about PowerPoint. Let's go back home and we see. Okay, let's first go to the slide master. Once you're done with your things in slide master, you're done with the layout you want, you have edited the things that you want to be here. You can close it, you can close the slide master and then you come back, you begin typing your work. But remember that whatever you have put the other side, the format that you have the other side in the slide master is what is going to appear in your slides. So that is how PowerPoint works. Yeah, there is like a shortcut here for slideshow if you don't want to go through all the steps. So yeah, it's done. So yeah, I think that's all I can tell you about PowerPoint presentation. So it is very important, as you have seen how the things are looking. They're used during presentations when you're making presentations. So it is very important to learn PowerPoint. You should know the skills of how to use PowerPoint. Yeah, I think that's all I have about introduction to PowerPoint. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.